Welcome everyone. Today I'll discuss about the geographical thought, different concepts, models, and theories, and related associated authors and geographers. So the core debates and concepts like man and environmental relationship, like determinism and the possibilism. The determinism is the physical environment dictates human activity, like the uh, major propounder are the Aristotle, Montesquieu, Radcliffe, Sample, Huntington. Whereas the possibilism, like environment efforts offers opportunity and human actively choose from them, like Paul Vidal de la Blas, Fevre, Brunhes, and Barrows. These are the major propounder or the major uh, practitioner of that particular concept. Now, possibilism, probabilism, or the neo-determinism. The Griffith Taylor stop and go determinism, that is related to Taylor. Now the OHK spread is related to the neo-determinism. Now, key of the dualism: physical versus human, systematic versus regional, ideological versus nomothetic, quantitative versus qualitative, and modern seeking integration. So the national school, like German school, French school, American school, British school, and Soviet school. These are the ancient school of the different geographical thought process. Right, foundation of the modern physical geography, Pascal, modern geomorphology, Richthofen, human geography, Radzel. So all are related to the German. Sorry, they are not the ancient. They are the medieval or the after medieval period, how the geography has evolved over the time period. These are the propounder key figures and their contribution, like Eratosthenes coined the term geography in 3rd century BC. Radzel, founder of the human geography, and also introduced the Lebensraum in social Darwinism. Paul Vidal de la Blas, founder of the French human geography, and probably possibilism, and Gardner DeVry, proponent of the W.M. Davis, founder of the AAG, American Association of Geographers, and cycle of the erosion. Mackinder, founder of the British school, developed by the Heartland theory. Sample, leading exponent of the environmental determinism, Sauer uh, championed the cultural landscape concept. Like Hartson argued the determinism possibilism debate. Now, transition period, their exploration and the discoveries. Then Marco Polo traveled China and all the part. Then Columbus discovered the America. Then Vasco da Gama sea route to India. Then the Frederick Magellan, followed by the James Cook, Bernard Veronius, and Immanuel Kant. Bernard Veronius is the foundation of the general geography, whereas Immanuel Kant is related to the general natural history and theory of the heavens. Dualism and dichotomous in geography, man environmental relationship. Okay. Now the thinkers of the man environmental relationship, like Einstein, Kant, Humboldt, Ritter, Davis, Flory, Taylor, and Hudson. They are the major propounder or the major practitioner of the man environmental relationship. The determinism, according to the Platt 1948, determinism refers to the idea that everything in human life is caused certainly by the preceding events of the conditions. Human considered as a passive agents on whom physical factors work continuously. The level of the development of the history, culture, lifestyle of any social group is solely governed by the physical components of the environment. Okay, so now coming to the next one, the historical development of the determinism, like Aristotle, Strabo, then Montesquieu, Carl Ritter, Humboldt, Radcliffe, Alan Churchill, Sample, Ellsworth, Huntington, and Griffith Taylor. This is the chronological order of the like how the concepts has evolved over the time period. And then some statement was given by the Blacklight. Environmental determinism was at the center of one of the longest debates in history of the social science of geography. Similarly, the criticism of the determinism, Barrows, Saur, Treat, and Hudson, they criticize the uh, determinism. Then they have given the concepts of the possibilism, like puts human at a higher level and active agents. So, in case of the determinism, human are the passive agents, but in case of possibilism, human are the active agent. And who are the propounder of the or who gave their theory based on the possibilism, like Lucien Febvre, Montesquieu, Omet de Wappen, Vidal de la Blas, Brunhes, Barrows, and Hedner. Criticism of the possibilism, like Griffith Taylor largely criticized the possibilism, and he has given the concepts of the uh, stop and go determinism. According to him, the determinism may persist as a false guide in geography ever after environmental has been banished from the field. Neo-determinism was given by the O.H.K. Spade in 1957, followed by the key to the dualism, like what are the different concepts related to the dualism, like physical and human geography, study of the nature, environment, and human activity, quest of the integration. So the nature and systematic and regional geography, topic study of the phenomena like Humboldt, and regional geography, regional synthesis, Ritter, Hudson, and schizo for debate. So determinism versus possibilism, environment controls human activity at radial sampling versus the human chosen from the possibilities, Vidal and Febvre. Similarly, there are other like National School of Geography who has focused on different domain, like German School of Geographical Thought 19 during 19th century. Professor Oscar Pascal, professor at the University of Leipzig, thus Arsenal, and the modern physical geography landforms new problems of the like this way they have given their theories, concepts, and all.